for your online work. And for Group A, this could be either Tuesday or Wednesday. And if you're in Group B, this will be your Thursday work. You have 2 tasks here that need to be done. The first one is the Introductory Survey in Google Classroom. And then the second one is the Vision Board, which we talked about in class on your first in-class day. So if you go to your Google Classroom, you'll see the Introductory Survey. And it says, please take some time to answer some questions and help me get to know you better. So within here, it's just going to ask you to tell me a little bit about yourself, which class you're in, who you had for English Language Arts last year, and just some questions that are just going to help me plan what I want our instructional time to look like a little bit. So please take your time and really be a little bit reflective in your thinking of what you want to get out of class and what I can do to help you. So once you are done with that, you have some time to work on your vision board. And in your vision board, you have a copy, or you will have a copy of a blank Google Slides, Google Drawing presentation. Oh, there it is. So you'll have a blank Google Drawing that you can use to add photographs to or text to. You can find memes, you can find images online, whatever you want to add to show, tell me a little bit about yourself and a little bit about some goals that you have for yourself. They can be short-term goals, like what you want to do for 7th grade, what you want to accomplish. It might be something you want to do for high school. It might be something you know all the way into your career and what you want to do when you grow up. It doesn't have to be exactly school-related. It could be goals you have in sports or with family or with friends. Okay, so those are your 2 tasks for your online days. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I will do my best to get back with you during my lunch or planning or after school. Thanks.